Alright guys, so here we are again, the same house I had a video on before. We have this upper level woodwork stained out. It's knotty alder, what they're using. You can see it's very pretty with this stain on it. It's an early American stain. It's very, very nice looking. We're getting it masked off now to put our sanding sealer on before we put on our lacquer. Satin lacquer that we're going to be putting on it. Showed you the walls before. Here's another window all masked, ready for the sanding sealer. Yeah, see this? This wood's got a lot of character to it. Looks really pretty when it's finished. There's a couple of the doors we have yet to put any sanding sealer and lacquer on. Those will look really nice as well. Some of the jambs masked off, ready to go. This whole upper levels ready to fire away. I will do another video when we're finished with this upper level, so you can see it with the finish coat on it, the shine on it. All right, thanks guys, bye.